North Korean leader Kim Jong un made his first public appearance in 20 days, ending an absence that sparkled global speculation about his health. The Korean Central News Agency reported on Saturday that Kim attended a ceremony marking the completion of fertilizer factory Suncheon near the capital Pyongyang with other senior officials, including his sister Kim Yo Jong. KCNA said Kim cut a ribbon at ceremony on Friday, and those attending burst into thunderous cheers of hooray for the supreme leader who is commanding the all-people general march for accomplishing the great cause of prosperity. Kim was seen in photographs smiling and talking to aides at the ribbon cutting ceremony and also touring the plant. The authenticity of photos published on the website of official Rodong Sinmun newspaper could not be verified. As with previous public appearances due to global coronavirus pandemic, Kim and his entourage were not wearing masks, unlike the crowd of workers at the ceremony. North Korea has insisted it has not seen a single case of coronavirus, although experts say that is unlikely. Analysts said that Kim could not appear in public wearing a mask as it could make him appear vulnerable to the North Korean people. Rumors about the North Korea's leader have swelled after he missed the April 15 birthday celebration for his late grandfather, Kim Il sung, the country's most important holiday for the first time since he took the power 2011. Seoul's Unification Ministry reacted to Saturday's report by saying groundless speculation about Kim has caused unnecessary confusion, calling for more careful consideration in future. South Korea's government, which has a mixed record of tracking Pyongyang's ruling elite, repeatedly downplayed the speculation that Kim, believed to be 36, with a poor health following surgery. The office of South Korean President Moon Jae-in said it detected no unusual signs in North Korea or any emergency reaction by country's ruling party, military, and cabinet. It said it believed Kim was still managing state affairs but staying at an unspecified location outside Pyongyang. It was not immediately clear what caused Kim's absence in the past few weeks. In 2014, Kim vanished from public eye for nearly 6 weeks and then reappeared with a cane. South Korea's spy agency said he had a cyst removed from his ankle. The former top US diplomat from East Asia, Daniel Russell, said the pieces of the puzzle of Kim's disappearance would take time to assemble. China, North Korea's key diplomatic ally and main provider of trade and aid, is keen to maintain stability in its neighbor and avoid the possibility of influx of refugees. North Korea is at the epicenter of extremely tense security crisis involving a nuclear standoff where tens of millions of lives are at stake. Henry Ferron, senior fellow at the US Center of International Policy, told to AFP news agency, this raises legitimate concerns about the domestic and international instability that his death could cause. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.